Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. Is the secret to unlocking wealth not just in what you see, but also in what you smell? Amidst the visual contrast of a cluttered, stagnant office space and a vibrant, well-arranged area with flowing aromas, a question arises. Let's challenge the norms and dive into how the right sense could be your untapped resource for attracting prosperity. Discover the aromatic key to wealth that's been right under your nose. Welcome to Mystica Finance, the crossroads where ancient wisdom intersects with modern wealth strategies. In today's enlightening journey, we're marrying the transformative art of Feng Shui with the potent power of aromatherapy. Together, they forge a path to financial abundance that's both refreshing and profound. As we explore, we'll unveil specific scents that hold the potential to significantly alter your prosperity path, making the elusive quest for wealth a fragrant journey. So, stay tuned as we reveal how to scent your way to financial success. Engage with us on this aromatic adventure by liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. You won't want to miss the wealth of insights we have on using Feng Shui and aromatherapy to elevate your financial energy. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below as we embark on this journey together. Now, let's inhale the future of prosperity and exhale financial stagnation. Within the ancient practice of Feng Shui, the harmony of the 5 elements and the enhancement of qi, or life force energy, play pivotal roles in cultivating wealth and abundance. Here's where the subtle yet profound power of aromatherapy comes into play. By thoughtfully incorporating specific scents into our living and working spaces, we can significantly influence the flow of energy, enriching our environments with vibrations of prosperity. Certain aromas, aligned with Feng Shui principles, can activate the wealth sector of our spaces, inviting an influx of abundance directly into our lives. Imagine your home or office not just as a physical location, but as a living entity, breathing in the sense of prosperity and exhaling the stale energy of financial stagnation. Let's explore how integrating aromatherapy with Feng Shui can transform your surroundings into a beacon of wealth. Scents to attract wealth. The universe speaks to us in the language of scents, each with its own unique energy signature that can either elevate or dampen our pursuit of prosperity. For instance, the zesty aroma of citrus fruits like oranges and lemons is celebrated for its ability to clarify intentions and purify spaces, cutting through confusion and illuminating the path to wealth. On the other hand, the deep, grounding scent of sandalwood supports a solid foundation for wealth accumulation, anchoring your ambitions in the stability of the earth element. But the aromatic journey doesn't end here. Cinnamon, with its spicy warmth, is known to quicken the energy flow, stimulating the fire element that drives ambition and attracts wealth opportunities. Meanwhile, lavender's soothing presence harmonizes the environment, promoting a state of calm where creativity and prosperity can flourish. Incorporating these scents into your wealth areas, be it through diffusers, incense, or natural oils, activates these spaces, making them magnets for prosperity. Each aroma not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also serves as a powerful tool in your Feng Shui arsenal to stimulate financial growth. As we delve deeper into the world of scents, let's uncover how these aromatic allies can be strategically used to not just transform the energy of our spaces, but also to pave a fragrant path to financial success. Integrating aromatherapy into your space. Embracing the fusion of Feng Shui and aromatherapy within your environment invites an invisible layer of support for your financial ambitions. It's all about placing the right scent in the right place to unlock its full potential for attracting wealth. A simple yet effective way to start is by employing diffusers in your wealth sector. Diffusers, particularly those that use ultrasonic technology, Gently disperse essential oils like citrus or cinnamon into the air, energizing the space without overwhelming it. For a more traditional approach, natural incense sticks or cones made from sandalwood or lavender can be used. When lighting incense, focus your intentions on clearing any negative energy and inviting prosperity. Remember, the act of lighting incense is a ritual in itself, setting the stage for abundance. Another practical tip is to strategically place potpourri bowls filled with dried herbs and citrus peels in key areas. Not only do these serve as natural scent diffusers, but they also double as visual reminders of your commitment to attracting wealth. Lastly, don't overlook the power of essential oil rollers. A quick application on pulse points throughout the day can serve as a personal reminder of your financial goals, keeping the energy of abundance close to you. By thoughtfully integrating these methods into your space, you're layering scents to create a multi-sensory environment that vibrates with the promise of prosperity. DIY aromatherapy for wealth. Let's roll up our sleeves and blend our own concoctions tailored for wealth attraction. Starting with a diffuser blend, mix a few drops of cinnamon oil for quickening prosperity's pace, add citrus for its purifying energy, and a touch of sandalwood for grounding. This blend not only clarifies your space, but also solidifies your financial foundation. For those who prefer a personal touch of abundance, creating a wealth-infused perfume oil is the way to go. Begin with a jojoba oil base. Add a few drops of lavender for calm decision-making, patchouli for attracting physical and financial growth, and bergamot for success. As you mix these oils, focus intensely on your financial desires, infusing the blend with your intentions. Not to be overlooked, a simple yet potent room spray can be made by combining distilled water with essential oils like grapefruit for optimism and peppermint for high energy in a spray bottle. Use this spray to refresh your wealth area or workspace, inviting fresh energy and motivation. Through these DIY projects, you're doing more than just creating pleasant scents. You're crafting powerful tools in your Feng Shui arsenal, designed to draw wealth directly into your life. Each drop of oil, each blend, becomes a symbol of your commitment to financial prosperity. Daily aromatherapy practices. The journey to financial prosperity isn't just about the big gestures. It's found in the daily practices that align our energy with the vibrations of abundance. By weaving aromatherapy into the fabric of our daily routines, we create a consistent flow of energy that magnetizes wealth. Let's explore some simple yet effective practices to infuse your day with the scent of success. Morning invigoration. Begin your day in the wealth sector of your home with a few deep breaths of a citrus-based aroma. Citrus scents, like lemon or grapefruit, are not only uplifting, but they also purify the space, setting a vibrant tone for prosperity. Use a diffuser or simply inhale directly from the bottle as you visualize your financial goals for the day. Midday momentum. To maintain your focus and momentum towards your financial aspirations, keep a peppermint essential oil roller on hand. Peppermint is known for its ability to stimulate the mind and attract prosperity. Apply it to your wrists or temples whenever you need a burst of energy or a moment of clarity in making financial decisions. Evening alignment. As the day winds down, it's time to align your energy with the flow of abundance. A calming aroma, such as lavender or sandalwood, can help you relax while keeping your financial goals in your subconscious mind. Consider a bedside diffuser with a blend of these oils or a personal inhaler to use as part of your nighttime routine. Intentional spaces. Regularly refresh the scents in your wealth area to keep the energy vibrant and welcoming to prosperity. Switching between different wealth-attracting scents based on your current financial focus, be it growth, stability, or creativity, can help tailor the energy to your needs. Gratitude practice. End your day with a gratitude practice in your wealth sector, surrounded by the aroma of jasmine or rose. These scents not only enhance the feeling of gratitude, but also open your heart to receiving abundance. Jot down or mentally note the financial blessings of the day, no matter how small, as you breathe in the rich, affirming fragrance. By incorporating these daily aromatherapy practices, you're not only enhancing your environment, but also actively participating in the creation of your financial reality. Each scent becomes a marker on your path to abundance, guiding and supporting you in the manifestation of your prosperity goals. Today's journey through the fragrant world of Feng Shui and aromatherapy reveals a unique path to wealth, blending ancient practices with the power of scent. As you explore these aromatic strategies, observe how they influence your financial energy and invite prosperity. We're keen to hear about your aromatic path to abundance. Tried any of these scents or practices? Noticed a difference? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights contribute to our collective journey towards financial well-being. Remember, your environment plays a crucial role in your prosperity. Engage with it consciously, infusing your space with scents that align with your financial aspirations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mystica Finance for more enriching content. Together, let's navigate the aromatic avenue to abundance. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest insights and tips. Here's to a more prosperous journey, one scent at a time.